Here at Adams Polishes, we have a massive R&D team who is rigorous in the testing process. Every time we test a product, we make sure it's extremely scientific and there are very specific attributes that we're looking for to make sure the product is perfect. Now, when we get the chance to make a product better, we absolutely bring it to market for you, the customer, because we want you to have the best products possible. That includes Adams Polish's graphene glass coating advanced formula. It makes your glass extremely hydrophobic. Now, this advanced formula still has a great foundation that the original glass coating has, but the new formula builds off of that. And with the added resins to it, it actually adds a thicker film on the surface, so it lasts a little bit longer. Now, the application process is still extremely easy. And the thing about a glass coating is so important because it creates the visibility for you when you're driving in weather or even extreme weather. The water just rolls off. Obviously, a ceramic coating or a graphene ceramic coating is the best way to protect your car. But when you protect your glass with a graphene glass coating advanced, it is absolutely amazing and it makes your driving experience better.